Hello wonderful people! Today I wanted to unwrap and swatch these new, for me, White Nights pastel watercolors. I have a little collection of the White Night pastel watercolors, and as well many of the regular White Night paints, and you can see all the swatches on Sun and Colors already. Well, not the ones of the new ones. I want to upload them today. So here you can see the unwrapping of the colors that I've got, and this time it's the pearl gray, marengo, magnolia, Petersburg ochre, mocha, maroon, warm green and celestial blue. I feel that warm green is the most boring name of this range, but yeah. Here you can see the swatching process, and it's the Petersburg ochre, the first, and it's the pigment numbers PY42, PBK8 and PW6. Then it's the magnolia, which is PR19 and PV6. Then it's mocha with PR102, PV55 and PW6. Then it's maroon with the pigment numbers PBR7, PR19 and PW6. Celestial blue with the pigment numbers PW6, PB15:3. Warm green with the pigments PY151, PG7, PW6. Pearl gray, which is the most opaque of this round, with the numbers PR102, PBK7 and PW6. I'm not sure why the pearl gray has allegedly so much of the PR102 in them, because it looks like a nice, almost neutral gray color. Then there's marengo with the pigment numbers PB15, PBK7 and PW6. As today is Valentine's Day, I thought a lot about what I should paint today. So while grocery shopping, I saw these cute heart-shaped macarons and got myself a few. Then I thought about how to arrange them and decided to arrange them on this little teapot-shaped plate that is usually used for tea bags. But I thought it was cute. It came with a set that was gifted to me, and I really like this one. And so I used this little plate to arrange two of the macarons on top of them and gave the other ones to my partner to enjoy already, and painted them from life. So you can see me paint these two macarons with the White Night pastel colors and drink some tea too. For this painting I used my whole collection of the White Night pastels that I've arranged in the White Nights tin that you can see above in the video already. And what I really enjoy about this tin is that it doesn't have free space for the brushes, but you can fill it with plenty of paint. It fits 7 of the White Night pans in a row, and there's actually some place left for another half pan that would fit on the side too. If you are into having as many full pans available to you in a single palette, these tins might be for you, so check them out if you like. You can get them empty, and that's what I did, and that's how I fill them. I have actually another tin that I'm filling with metallics from the White Nights and other new releases. Yeah, so for this painting I didn't limit myself with the newest White Nights, but used all of them as I saw fit, and I've painted in my little tiny sketchbook that I made myself a while ago, and it's actually almost full. I have like 5 pages left, and once it's filled, I will make a sketchbook tour too. For today's video and Valentine's Day, I somehow felt it fitting to show you some art that I'm usually not showing, like painting something cute and sweet and use pinks, etc., and not animals as I usually do. To be honest, the sketchbook was filled with so many things that I was just trying out and just to see if I like it or not. Tried out different stuff and different styles and techniques, and yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. So I'm a little bit sad that it's being filled, but there are new sketchbooks waiting for me to be painted in. There's not much that I want to talk about when it comes to the White Night paints. As you might know, I really enjoy the paints itself, but I'm a little hesitant about the pastel colors because they're so opaque and behave differently than usual watercolors usually do. They feel much closer to gouache to me, but they also don't behave like gouache because they're not as opaque. The white in the mixes is very dominant, like I feel, and it's very difficult to achieve like that darker shades that usually are very helpful. That's why I have used a tiny bit of darker gouache, especially for the blue on the plate in the end, and for the pink of the pink filling of the darker macaron. So yeah, I also used some white, by the way, because I lost the highlights, and I've used like a tiny bit of white, and in the very end I actually even used a white gel pen just to add some details, some fun stuff, and to add a sketchy feeling to it. I've also added a shadow and darkened the wood or the surface a little bit, just so it kind of seems cohesive. In general, I enjoyed painting this, but not because of the paints. I'm not sure. I'm just not the kind of person that likes to paint with these pastel colors. They look nice, they behave very nice, but it's not something that fits my style and my way to paint. But I see that they can be useful and very nice and can look more than gorgeous in other people's paints. I've tried different stuff out for this video, like the brushes are new too, but I'm still testing them out, so I can't tell you how I like them so far or not. There will be a review for these brushes too, and well, here you can see the final result of the little macaron. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Enjoy it, have fun. I hope you get to spend it with someone you love or like, or your family. Have a wonderful time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!